In the heart of Limón, Costa Rica, nature reveals its masterpiece, a beach so serene, it feels like a slice of paradise. Man, I'm really loving Costa Rica. Wow, in downtown Limón, the marketplace is more than just a place to shop. It's the heart of the community, a vibrant tapestries of culture, flavors, and tradition. I'm just walking around and I'm just really just absorbing this African, Caribbean vibe right here. It's just so beautiful. And, I really gotta get my Spanish down a lot better, but so far, I'm just really, really just loving it. The vendors, they greet the customers with a warm smile, offering samples of juicy papaya slices. It's unreal. You can't find this in the U.S., especially not in New York. The warm smiles is just beautiful. You catch a nearby young boy help his mother arrange bunches of herbs and spices, and their scent just filling the air. Oh my goodness, it's just paradise. Limon, Costa Rica. At the heart of Limon's marketplace lies its bustling fish market, a treasure trove of fresh seafood and a testament to the coastal life of Costa Rica. I'm telling you, you got shrimp. Oh my God, just look at this shrimp right here. It is so big. Oh my goodness. I just want to buy some and just go home and just cook. But unfortunately, I'm gonna have to settle for the beautiful cuisine of the cruise ship, which I am not complaining. But the seafood is just to die for right here. It is so beautiful, so tasty, and cheap. Limon truly is a gem of Costa Rica, with its swaying palm trees, vibrant culture, and the rhythm of life that seems to sync perfectly with the ocean breeze. Wow, I tell you, it's just so beautiful. It's wonderful to hear, but just being here and just seeing it for yourself is the true beauty. The pura vita, which they call it, really comes to life there. And I'm just enjoying it, every moment is like what Parada feels like here. Great place to retire. I'm telling you, check out Costa Rica. It's the place to be. Wow. What is this? Is this a red boot? Yeah, come on. Check out this red boot. Only in Limon, Costa Rica. I am telling you. This is crazy. Oh my goodness. But the trees, everything is just so beautiful here. But look, I'm gonna have to tell you, I gotta rate Limon, Costa Rica a 4. Because we still got so many other places that is really top notch. But hey,
Costa
you
Rica
can find it
flag
here.
right here. If you're wondering what that is,
And you have Claude the Explorer. Hey, hi. We in Costa Rica. Beautiful. Loving it. Beautiful palm trees. And we're gonna take a tour and let you know everything about Costa Rica. Uh, Not everything, but we're gonna try our best. Okay. All right. Bonus this. We are in Limon, Costa Rica. Yes, Limon, Costa Rica. And we just out here at the you know, little street mall over here. And we get something to eat over here. Me and my homeboy, so But look at this. Look at this meal right here, boy. This is very good, man. Oh my God. I feel like taking this back to the States. Oh my goodness. Beautiful Costa Rica. Oh my God. Look at the water. Really enjoying Costa Rica, Limón. Had a beautiful time here. Yeah, this is nice, man. This is beautiful. So what you think about Costa Rica, man? What you like about it the most? Pablo, Pablo, what you like about it the most, man? Costa Rica.
I love the Caribbean. All right. What I like about it, the people are mostly friendly. The weather's beautiful. Trees are gorgeous. The mountains are tropical. I just love it. It's a great spot.
Great spot. And the food. The food is good.
Food was amazing.
Food is great.
Got some Caribbean jerk chicken and some rice and beans.
What do you think about the women?
The women are beautiful.
The women are beautiful. Okay. Food is good. Women are beautiful. And the water. I mean, they said it rained and it's kind of brown right now. So, you know.
Water's all right.
The water's all right. Yeah, it's okay.
It's not St. Thomas.
It's not St. Thomas. Okay.
Or St. Martin.
Or St. Martin. Yeah. Okay. But I do like Costa Rica. It's nice.
I think we're on the rough side.
And we're on the rough side. Yeah.
We're on the other side if we're about to move.
Lots smoother. Yes, we were. Yeah. Yeah. And we got the coconuts, the yellow coconuts up here. Very nice. I like the yellow coconuts right here. Yeah, this is nice. Beautiful. Beautiful Costa Rica. We are in the beautiful Costa Rica, and we are just taking a tour. It's a little safer than Panama. Panama is just Wild Wild West. But we're here. Limón, Costa Rica. Very beautiful. Very beautiful scenery. So it looked like we're going through beautiful palm trees. That's what I into. Yeah, it's a little big country. Yeah.